Hello everyone, Office Insider just launched a set of new apps for iOS and Android. They are more optimized for touch experience. I love them, so here is a walkthrough on iPad. Okay, here I am on my iPad. Now first of all, you can go to insider.office.com. This is where you can download the iOS Insider apps for your iPad. You can click on the link. Of course, you need test flight to make it work. Now, once you install, let me show you the Office app. The Office app is great. This is like a hub for all Office clients. So first of all, I have a home page where it has recommended documents, recent documents, my recent notes or sticky notes, some of the files that I just recently accessed. If I just tap on the actions, here are all the fantastic tools to help me to become even more productive, including sign a PDF, scan a PDF, scan an image to become a table, editable in Excel, or just extract text from a picture. Hugely useful features all in one glance. Of course, I can go to folders. This is where I see my OneDrive for Business. I can browse through my documents. One interesting thing you will see in the new Insider build is I can click on apps. You will actually see all the apps I'm entitled to, right? I can open them and some other more apps from Microsoft if I want to download more of them. PowerPoint is hugely improved on the new Office Insider iPad app. So here, same thing. I have a home page. I can look at all these presentations that I have. If I were to start a new PowerPoint, I hit the plus sign. I can just pick any template. Here you go. I'll have a template and start my new PowerPoint creation here. Now you can see in PowerPoint, the menu navigation bar is a little bit different. Now I have home. I can come here, do a new slide. I can change to different layouts in this template. If I go to insert, everything is so simple and so naturally within your PowerPoint. I can click on icons, right? You can see icons come onto the right hand side. I can pick any of these icons. I can jump to a category. That allows me to quickly insert some of the icons to make my PowerPoint looks good. Very similarly, draw is there. I can come here. I can take a pen and I can draw here, right? Just use the hand. This is draw with touch. I don't even need to use a pen to draw on my PowerPoint. Now with ink to shape, what I can do is I can draw a not so very well shaped square. I can come here, select the square object. With ink to shape, I can turn this into a proper shape within PowerPoint. Imagine that now you can actually draw and design your PowerPoint using just touch from your iPad. Now very similarly, under design ideas is there, so I can go to design ideas and look at different ideas. It's just so natural and so easy to use. Animation pen, slideshow, all these features are right available in a very touch friendly manner. Now let's switch to Word. Word is very similar, right? You see a home page and then I can come here and create from any templates if I want. Now let me just pick a Word document I already have. Now very similar to PowerPoint, you see all the icons just above. It's very easy to use. I can insert different page numbers. I can insert header and footers. This is just right there. Now amazingly, tables. So if I come here and just say, hey, I'm gonna insert a table. Look at that, I'm going to hide the keyboard. My table is just inserted here. I can easily click on one of them, say, you know what, select the row. I'm just going to delete that. And if I want to add, I can just click on that and say, I'm going to insert, and then insert below. Fantastic, very easy to use, very touch friendly. Now when you see when I bring up my keyboard, there's a smart microphone here. Just click on microphone. This is basically dictation. Using Word. Now there is a new feature in this, has been rolled out for a while. If I go to settings or dictation, now I can turn on auto punctuation. So when I do this, I no longer need to worry about punctuation. Word will actually using detection AI to do it for me. Okay, let me go to new line and let me try this out. Hello everyone. This is what I want to tell everyone about hybrid work. Hybrid work is definitely the future. You can see as I speak out and dictation works and punctuation just happens naturally. This is a fantastic improvement on both touch as well as dictation you can do with Word document. So here I am, open up my OneNote in iPad. So you can see when I open up, it shows me all the notebook sections as well as pages. If I click on one of the section, it actually hides away the rest of the content and allow me to look at this from a page perspective, allow me to focus. Now a couple of things very similar to your PowerPoint as well as Word document. I can click on the document. It has very easy to use touch menu. Allow me to do things like, add an important note. So this is very easy for me to actually author using the capabilities that natively from OneNote. You can insert online pictures, insert calculations, everything that you typically see from a OneNote capabilities. Now it's very similar to PowerPoint. I will have a draw option menu here. I can actually draw. Allow me easily to draw using touch. I don't even need a pen. Now under view, this is where you see, hey, I actually have immersive reader natively built into the app. So I can go to immersive reader. For a very long document like this, I can actually let immersive reader read for me. Now once I click on that, it opens up. If you see my demo immersive reader, you can control text size, background, dark or light theme, and you can turn on syllabus, and you can actually choose a different language, translate the document. I have line focus if you want to. Now if I just want this to be read to me, I can just click on the play button.
Working remotely. With the opportunity for many to be taking a lot more meetings remotely right now, we wanted to share some easy ways for you to.
So this makes consume document in OneNote on iPad a lot easier. Excel is probably a client that you wouldn't want to use on a iPad because there's so much data and so much complexity on that. So let me just open up one, right? If I open this Excel, just consuming, I can click on the table. You can see now the table came out from the touch menu as well. From here, I can actually change the style very easily. I can convert range. Everything become a lot easier. And if I go to formulas, this is where you see all the formulas are actually lined up on top. So it's quite easy for me from a touch perspective to just change the formula I want for that specific cell. Designed fully for touch experience. Now if I choose chart, very similarly I see the chart options, all the layouts, elements, colors are all designed for you to use within a touch experience in iPad. And last but not least, PowerPoint, Word, and Excel now all support split view in iPad. So for example, I can open up my European expansion deck, swipe up, and then I can just bring PowerPoint to the other side. Now I can open up another PowerPoint, right? So I have two PowerPoints side by side. If I need to copy something, allow me to multitask on two PowerPoint, I can actually do that. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy these new apps as much as I do. If you are not an insider, no problem. Go to insider.office.com, sign up and start to use them.